How to replace the blades for the RYOBI Crosscut multi-blade system for model RY401150US. Remove the start key, then remove the battery from the battery port. Fold the handles down. Turn the mower on its side. Support the mower blades with a block of wood. This will prevent the blades from turning while removing them. Turn the blade nut counterclockwise to loosen, then remove the blade nut, spacer, blade insulator, and blades. Do not remove the hub or the adapter. Place the new flat blade onto the shaft and align the holes in the blade with the post on the hub. Place the mulching bagging blade with the curved edges pointed towards the deck of the mower onto the shaft, and align the holes with the post on the hub. Replace the blade insulator and spacer, then finger tighten the blade nut. Use a torque wrench to tighten according to the user's manual. Need additional help? Call RYOBI customer service